Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for gold and silver. Last week I hope you all profited. As I said, 1920 is the critical support zone for gold and 2420 for silver. Until the time it remains above, one can go long. One can definitely expect 1950 levels on gold and 2480 levels on silver. I hope you all profited. Now we'll try to find how to make profit next week trading gold and silver. We'll try to find out the entries, the targets, and the take profits. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Friends, don't forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new to the channel, I also share my daily analysis on gold and silver, one with the Asia session and one with the US cash session. So yes, this analysis will definitely helps you in your day trading decisions as well. So press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now let's start the day with gold first. See, this is the weekly charts for daily charts for gold, and I have told you till the time it remains above this zone, one can expect a sharper rally on gold. In fact, this time it has broken out the resistance at 1940, which is a strong resistance zone for gold. 1937, 1940, until the time it sustains this zone, till the time it sustains above 1940 levels, one can expect that in the month of April itself one may see gold again hitting 1970, 1990, 2000 levels. So stay cautious. Now this is what we have seen. It has taken the support here at 1920 and it has given a good rise. Now this is just on the daily charts. Let me show you something on the weekly charts as well. And if you look at the weekly charts, you will find, see, weekly charts here, you can see very clear support at 1920, very clear support at 1920 and 1915. This zone is now the strong support zone for gold. But at the same time, see these three candles, lower highs and in fact higher lows here. So what does it suggest? It suggests gold is still trying to squeeze out a bit. Gold is still trying to trade in this narrow trading channel. So if and only if you see it above 1965, one can expect that in the month of April it may give you a sharper rally towards 2000 levels. So the next target for me for gold to so now probably next week, if you see it trading till the time it trades below 1955, it may try to come back again till towards 1920. But yes, if it breaks 1955 zone, then the 1960 resistance will come, and beyond that it will definitely fly. This is what it appears on the weekly charts very clearly. There is a support zone at 1920 and here at 1900. Breaking this only, one can expect that it is going to give sharper drop on the downside, where the next support zone is at around 1850. But this is on the weekly charts, and yes, on the daily charts we have already seen. Now let's look at the monthly candle out there. On the monthly candle, you can see previous two candles, this candle went well high. It has already achieved the double top on the monthly charts. It is trying to form the symmetry out here, and only if it breaks past and sustains above this zone, I will consider this as bullish. Else it is bound to come back down, forming the double top. It may try to come back till this zone, that is 1600, in coming months. This is months which I am talking about. So till the time it remains below 2075, it can in future come back this zone before looking forward to a rise. However, for this month, if you look at, it has formed the lows out there, and now it is trying to form, either it try to hit the higher highs or it may try to restrain itself between 2000 to 2050 zone. So this is what is my expectation. Only if it breaks 1900, I will consider that as a bearish move, and then you can expect a drop there. So till the time it remains above 1900 and 1920, specifically for this week, till the time it remains above 1920, we can expect it to rise. And any move beyond, but still the long entry is only above 1955. Don't go long till the time it is below 1955 on gold here. It may try to retrace back a bit. Now coming back to the indicators here, what does the indicators are suggesting on the daily charts? If you look at the indicators on the daily charts, the stochastic is here, was near to oversold zone, now trying to rise with a strong bullish candle, and yes, it may try to take it towards overbought zone with a strong further bullish candles in the coming week. Also look at this, the MACD trying to converge and cross over here. So if this crossover happens, see, it was trading in this bearish zone for long, and it traded in the sell zone for long, and now trying to crossover on the buy side. Once this crossover open, we may see sharper green candles on gold, and hence you can expect a rise there. RSI looking upwards may try to take into overbought zone again. And if you look at here, the gold now is trading, see, it is trading above the 20, 50 and 100 moving average. Now the support at 1940 is very strong. Only if it breaks below 1940, I'll expect it to drop. And that too, the drop can only be till towards 1935, 1930 zone. And breaking 1930, one can remain bearish, else till the time it is above 1930, one can expect it to rise. The rise can be strong enough to take it towards 1960, 1980 zone. And look at the stochastic, we have already seen, MACD we have already seen. Now considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next week. So only first let's talk about the long entry where you should go long. If you see gold trading above 1956, you can take a long entry here. The next target is 1961, 1965, and if it sustains above 1965, nobody is going to stop till towards 1978, 1991, and then in fact it will try to take it towards 2003 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit. It can try to hit 2020. So I'll be cautious still. Till the time it remains above 1956, one can remain long. At the same time, on the downside, 1937 is the level. If you see it dropping below 1937, one can go short. One can expect it to hit 1931. This is going to be a strong support, and below that we can again expect 1924, 1918 levels giving it a support, and 1915 will come into picture. If it drops below 1915, nothing like that, just remain short. You will expect 1900 and 1891 levels. In fact, below that it will break sharply. However, if you ask my expectation for gold is to remain largely bullish with the support at 1937-40 zone. It will try to hit 1978, 1991 levels. So trade with a bullish bias, and I think on Monday we may see it rising again. We may see green candles on gold, and we can expect it to hit towards 1965, 1978 in next couple or 2-3 days itself. Beyond that, it will definitely fly. So take your positions accordingly. And yes, before we proceed to silver analysis, let me tell you that if you invest in your learning, that learning and that investment will give you the profits for your life. So you can join my mentorship batch also, where the strategy is taught will definitely help you become an independent and proficient trader. Also, you can be part of my signals group, where just by trading as per my signals, you can definitely make profit. So reach out to me if you have any trading or trading related queries. My email ID and telegram ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's start with silver. Now look at the daily charts for silver. As I told many times, 2420 has provided it a very strong support. With the support at 2420, it is trading in this bullish channel. Now if you see it trading about 2480, which is a strong resistance again, we may see it trading above 2520 soon, and in fact it can try to hit 2550 levels. So if it trades and sustains about 2480 levels, one can definitely remain long. And at the same time, 2440 on the downside is going to be a very strong support. So with the support at 2440 and stop loss at 2440, one can remain long. That is what we can see on the daily charts. Now look at the weekly charts. How many times 2420 and 2400 has given a strong support for silver for any downward moves. This time again, this level has come to the come as a savior for silver for any downward move. Only if it breaks and sustains below 2400, I will expect that it is going to head towards 2300 and below levels. Till the time it is about 2400, I will expect it to rise. However, I will not recommend you to go long blindly. Now look at this on the weekly charts, the high here. So if you see it trading about 2480, you can go long again, and see first target 2500, then it will try to hit 2540 levels with this as support. If it only if it breaks 2550 one can expect that it may try to head past 2600 and plus levels. Then it is a bullish move, it is a bullish reversal, and it will try to rise from there. So yes, there is a strong support at 2400 and 2420 zone. With this as support, it may continue to rise for the week. Till the time it remains about 2440, one can remain long, and in fact the next level to go long is at 2480. Now coming back to the monthly candle here, on the monthly candle you can clearly see that higher lows has been formed. Now the candle is trying to go green, and any move beyond, and if it sustains about 2480, the next target is 2540, and then it will try to cross 2600 level in the month of April. We can expect a strong bullish move in silver in this month. The lows are being done, and now it will continue to rise. So the way 2400 2420 zone has provided a support, I'll expect silver to give very strong bullish move in coming days. You may see it hitting 2600. So clear cut profitable trading on silver can be done by remaining long about 2480 levels. Take your positions accordingly. But let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting here? Now look at the charts on silver trading at near to the bottom for Bollinger Bands and below the 20 period simple and exponential moving average and the volume weighted moving average price, which is at around 2520. So once it passes by 2520, then silver is free to rise strongly, and then 2560, 2580, 2600 can on 2520 we can see sharper move on silver, and then it will fly towards 2600 in the coming days and weeks. So probably stay long till the time it remains. For the week it appears remaining long about 2420, 2480 should be a very good strategy. Now let's also have a look here. See, the daily stochastic has hit a bottom. It was oversold here, and how beautifully from this level it has tried to rise, and probably now it will take sharper green candles to take it towards overbought zone, and hence 2550 2600 can be expected. MACD lines were wide divergent, now trying to converge. Probably a crossover can be seen with couple or three more green candles. We may see MACD trying to converge and stochastic it overbought, and hence 2550 2600 can be very easily achieved on silver. We may see strong green candles in the coming few days, so stay cautious. And now considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next week. So next week go long when you see it trading above 2485. Then the next target is 2500, 2520, and then after that it will directly try to hit 2545, 2570 and 2600. It can fly till there in few sessions. It can try to achieve this. At least 2520 2550 zone can be achieved in few sessions itself if it trades and sustains about 2485, then and then only. Largely I am bullish on silver. Still, if you see it trading below 2460, then you can take a, rather I will say 2450, then you can take a short entry for 2440, which is going to be the strongest support. With this as support, it can try to rise again. Take a long entry at 2440 itself. So any dip is a good level to buy till the time it remains about 2420 levels. The next support 2420 and then 2400. Now till the time for the month of April it stays above this zone, one can remain long on silver. One can expect that it is going to give a strong bullish move, but below 2400 the next target is directly towards 2350 and 2300. So take your positions accordingly, and yes, don't miss to watch the daily analysis. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions as well. Also, if you have any trading or trading related queries, you can reach out to me via telegram or email. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the description. Trade profitably, trade with stop loss, trade with proper strategy, and then definitely you can be a successful trader. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries. My next mentorship batch is starting soon. Also, my VIP signals group is also starting soon. So take your positions. Have a great profitable trading week. I thank you.